Hello everyone, how are you doing? I think you guys doing fabulous. And in this video, I'm gonna say really significant point that you have to apply your life. So if you are a student or if you are a job holder, if you are a free person, then this video for you. I mean, everyone should watch this video and know the information, and you should also apply this method to improve yourself. Okay, knowledge is a thing that we should gain every day, every second, every minute, every time we should gain it. So it's one kind of like talent, or you can say it's one kind of not information, or I can say this is kind of good thing that everyone should have. That is none other than making video. It's really crucial to improve, I mean, enhance your like quality. If you make video, that's gonna help you a lot to like be confident. Okay, if you are English learner, then I'm saying that it's really significant and it's really crucial to have this kind of habit, and how you should be like expert on it, I'm saying today. So making video is not that much easy. Where if you are beginners, like if you are beginner level, at the time you will get like shy, or you will be frustrated, you will be nervous. So but day by day you will be confident when you will start making video. So everyone should start making video if you wanna enhance your like communication skill. Or on the other hand, I'm saying that if you have any like dreams that you wanna be a content creator, then making video is like it's really sportive thing. There is no alternative except making video. If you wanna represent something that that is inside you or like beside you, so it's really a great way to, I can say, represent at this moment. This is though like I can say this world is already dependent right now. It's like internet, and we're used to use social media. So if we have this type of talent, then we can expose ourselves, we can explain everything in front of camera, then everyone can enjoy with us. That's why I'm saying you have to start making video, though it's not that type of easy thing first of all, but day by day you will be expert on it. So try to make video every day. And one more thing I'm saying, if you were English learner, from my experience, I'm gonna say that uh, if you start, then day by day your English will be better, and that's gonna help you a lot to become fluent speaker. If you want to get your proficiency, must you need to like make video. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. I think you guys understand of what I'm trying to say. And one more thing I should say, that it's really tough what I'm saying. It has reason that right now I'm making video by myself. I always love to make video by myself, and my hand is my hand is like sometimes I feel like pain on my hand, because it's really tough to hanging the phone in front of me. It's really tricky. Okay, so that's all for now. I think you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So it's though it's a message, and through this message I am practicing with you. So it's my method. You can follow that if you want to become a fluent speaker, or if you want to be a content creator, then you need to have this kind of talent, or I mean you have to be expert on it. Okay, that's all for now. See ya. Allah Hafiz.